In this video we will learn how to publish a layout and resolve conflicts using the Mapper app. While working on the Mapper app, changes are automatically saved as draft on the monitoring platform when you're online. This way, your app will always be synced, ensuring you work on the latest layout version. Tap Publish after all devices have been scanned to publish the final version of your work, making it available to all users. System owners will not have access to drafts. When offline, changes will be saved locally on your device. When you are back online, open the site in the Mapper app, and it will be automatically synced. Use the cloud icon in the site list to easily identify unsynced sites. To save time on site, multiple users can perform site mapping in parallel. If different users map the same components, a list of conflicts will appear when saving the map. You can decide whether to override the server map by choosing My Map and using the device version, or choosing Server Map and return to the map and manually resolving any conflicts.